Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change download location on Google Chrome. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So first of all, you have to open up any of your browser on your desktop. So what you have to do is just simply open up your browser first. So after opening up the browser, now here you have to just simply go to the top right corner of three horizontal lines, which is here. So after tapping on these three horizontal lines, now you have to just simply go to this settings, which is second last option. Just simply hit the settings. So after hitting the settings, you have to just simply go to download section in the top left panel. So here is the download button. Simply hit the download, and here you have to just simply see the option which is first one is location. So what you have to do is just simply, in order to change location, just simply hit this change button here. So after tapping on change, now what you have to do is just simply assign that specific folder in which you want your downloads. So let's suppose I'm just tapping on this one and simply click on select folder. So after tapping on that, in this way you guys can change or select any of the download location, and you guys can change forever. So it's a permanent method for changing a download location on Google Chrome. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.